back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can delete your Wowcher account. So to close or delete your Wowcher account, you have to follow the steps. So there's no such direct way of doing it, so you have to contact the support team and state about the issue. Only then you'll be able to delete it. So now if you like to close your account or delete your personal information, you simply have to send your request through an email to the data privacy team using the privacy@wowcher.co.uk. Now they will carry this out within 7 days. So for that, open up a new page and then type in mail.google.com and to submit a request. You would then type in the email address, that is privacy@wowcher.co.uk. And when you have typed in the following information or the email address, now as per the subject, type in delete account. As per the message, you can type in that you wish to delete or close your account because of so and so reason, and accordingly mention your information as well, that is your account name or the Wowcher address or the email address associated with your account, your information and other necessary details, and then press the send button. Your account should be deleted within 7 days. So that is how you can delete your Wowcher account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.